Good morning. So spend the day with me as I get stuff done. We've got a busy day. This is my last day off before I work 5 days in a row, with 4 of those being at least 12-hour shifts. And my sister's coming into town, so I have to get my house clean because we're going to go stay at Jason's house. So I've got to clean up my house, make sure it's ready for company, change the sheets, make sure all the trash is taken out, like do a semi-deep clean. I also have to edit and get a vlog completely ready to post for Sunday because I have had a goal to make sure I post one at least every week, and we're at over 6 months of doing that, so I'm so excited. And I've also got to get everything ready to go to Jason's house. So medicine, CPAP, all the things that can be prepped today, I need to. One of the reasons like this is so weird, my schedule's a little weird, and my sister's coming into town, is my mom and dad are going on an 8-day cruise with my sister's family to the Bahamas, and the kids are staying home. So I have my 2 little sisters and my nephew, who's like a younger sibling, to watch. And it's the first week of school, so I have to combine relying on Jason's family to help me with them while I work multiple 12-hour shifts in a row, and then I have to go get them an hour away and come back home Tuesday, which will be my last day that I work, for them to go back to school Wednesday. So that's my first day off now. Like, today's Thursday, I work until Tuesday. So then Tuesday, I get off. I have to drive an hour to go pick them up, pick up all their stuff, come home, then get everything ready for them to go to school Wednesday. So I say all that to say I had a lot of stuff to get done. I, again, vlog and do a deep clean of my room. So let's get started. Before we actually get started, I am going to go make me a coffee because that will help me be motivated. I'll be back with coffee. I went and got my coffee. The next thing I'm gonna start on, I think, is the vlog, because I can get my younger siblings to come help me do some of the tasks to clean. They can help. So I think I'm gonna do the vlog, which I have to do while I have a clear head. I really want to try to have as much done as early as possible. Let's try to get what I can get done and rest when I can, because this is a lot. I'm a little overwhelmed. So my list is looking like it is. I was able to get my nephew registered for school. I had to deal with stuff with his mom. That's the one thing that's already crossed off the list. I got that done yesterday. Let's do this. So I started editing for just a second, and then I got distracted updating my spreadsheets. I am so close to maxing out my Roth IRA for the year. I'm so close. I just feel like July kept sucker punching me. I broke down. I had to get towed. Then I had to fix something in my engine. While they had my engine apart, I told them to do a tune-up because my stupid car has to have the engine half taken apart to do a tune-up. My AC went out. When the AC went out, my TV had some issues, which now it's fine, thankfully, but I had a meltdown because I'm like, that's another, couple $100. Like, it's not super expensive, but it's enough to throw off my plan. Everyone else's air has had issues. Then I had a baby shower that I threw, so that was not the cheapest, kind of thing after thing after thing. That we thought Jason's air had gone out in his car, so then I'm planning, oh no, let's get that fixed because we cannot not have air, especially when he has over an hour commute. Then it magically came back on. My car, the air, I think there's an electrical issue. Sometimes it turns off, but if it turns on, it works. So we're just gonna let that roll with it right now. There's been a whole lot of, I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting that. I'm trying to see where I am money-wise, trying to get my spreadsheets in order. It is about 10:30. I have eaten something finally. I've not finished my coffee. I have restarted editing. let's cross some things off of my list. I have put up all the clothes that I have out here. I did that earlier. I brought all my dirty clothes into the house. I have not cleaned the bathroom yet or taken out the trash. I'm currently filming. That's on my list. I've edited my Skagway vlog, so this is currently where we are. This is one thing I need to do. I need to go put up the towels. I thought I had put up all the clothes, but okay, I put the towels up and I grabbed some stuff that I need to put up in here. This off. It's not the cleanest, but it will work. I think for this to here, I only need to wipe it off and then it should be pretty well clean. And take this in. Let me go get a wet washcloth. Running this to the kitchen. This is one area I have cleaned off, so this is good to go. This is the other area. I just need to wipe it off. So now this is all cleaned off. That is another thing off my list. I'm gonna go hang this in the bathroom. So I cleaned off another little area. It's not the most organized, but it's pretty good to me. So pretty much cleared off. It's just products and stuff. To me, that means all of my surfaces are clean. Now the big thing is cleaning the bathroom. So my bathroom is not perfect. I want it to be one of my next priorities, but not today. So the only thing I can really do, make it as clean as I can. I need much more storage stuff. My room, the bathroom is very, very small, and I've got too much stuff. I think this is how you do it. Let's go with that. The counter is clean, the toilet is clean. I will sweep in a minute. I need to take the trash out and let me spray the shower or the tub so I can give it a scrub later. That is gonna sit for a while. I think I'm gonna take a little time and just go chill for a minute because I feel like I've been doing a bunch of stuff you might not have seen, but that vlog took me hours. Hold on, I gotta take this to the bathroom. Let's go through my list again and see. I've not eaten lunch. Something that I want to do maybe the next couple of weeks is my closet is not horrible, but I just want something covering it. As you can see, there was a track up there for an accordion door. A regular door would not work. So I think I'm gonna buy some curtains and hang some curtains to cover it and give it a little like zhuzh. I think I've packed what I can for the weekend. I've packed my medicine. I can't pack Jason's yet. I've updated my spreadsheets earlier. I have cleaned the bathroom. I still need to take out the trash and sweep. And the biggest thing is that I don't want to do is change the sheets. So I think what I'm going to do, pull the sheets and make the bed again. When I make the bed, I will pull the sheets to go in the house, bring in anything dirty that I have. Let's pull the sheets. I will put the flat sheet on when I make the bed. Normally, like I know my sister got all kinds of upset with me. I don't normally make my bed, so the flat sheet just ends up rolled at the foot of the bed doing nothing anyway. I am going to just put it on tomorrow when I make the bed before she gets here. I will be getting up probably at 5 o'clock in the morning instead of 5:30 like I normally do, just to make sure everything is done and maybe take the trash out one more time, because I will be the last person in my little tiny house. Tucker's girlfriend is going home because he's gonna be gone for 4 days working. Jason gives him a ride to work, so he's got to come with us. I'm going to be the last one here. When I do my final checks, make sure everything is clean, everything is organized, that we've got all the stuff we need to be gone. Apparently I forgot to grab it off the bed when I pulled the sheets. Whoops. I'm gonna bring the dirty clothes in first, just because I'm hot and I've had the air off, and I think I want to let the air be on for a minute. When I record, I have the air off. Noise, loud. I went in the house, I heated up my leftovers from Texas Roadhouse the other day, and I think I'm going to watch something. Let's see if the TV turns on right. Oh, that's why I need a new TV eventually. It fixes itself sometimes. Well, no, it always fixes itself for the most part. But I think I'm gonna plop in bed and maybe watch something and rest for a little bit. I still have to do a few things, but I am mostly done. Jason is going to be home soon. Let me try to get the rest of my stuff done so I can spend time with him. So besides the bathroom trash, the biggest thing that I need to get done is sweeping. Okay, swept some up. Sweeping is done. I still need to grab the bathroom trash. I don't know if I'm gonna grab it in the morning, so I know it's emptied before I leave. I made lunch, changed the sheets, took out the trash. So that still leaves, I wanted to read, but I finished my last book, my physical book that I had. I finished this. It's called Beneath the Surface by Emily McIntyre. I don't know that Emily McIntyre is my favorite author. It was good. Maybe 3.5 stars. Like, it was fine. Would I read it again? I don't know. Something else I have on my list is to shave my face and do my eyebrows. So I used to pluck or wax my face because I have enough facial hair that I want to get rid of it. I started using this maybe 4 months ago, and it doesn't hurt. For the most part, it does the job and it doesn't hurt. So I've also started doing my eyebrows. Seems to be working pretty well. And then at the end, I take the eyebrow thing back off. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to smack you. I take the eyebrow thing back off. You take the hair, all the hair and fuzz, and throw that away. Put it all back together. You buy mine on Amazon for like $10 or $15. I don't have to wax my face. It's rechargeable. That is another thing off my list. I have packed what I can for Friday. I want to catch up on some vlogs, maybe. Filming a vlog. Thumbnail. That's the only like real task that I need to do. I think I'm going to end it here. Just so when Jason gets home, I can spend all the time with him. It is nighttime now. We just got home. Things are a little messy, but I thought we were just going to be here for the rest of the day. No big deal. I even had my robe in the bathroom to take a shower or to take a bath. I was in there, I was scrubbing it. I thought we were done for the day. My little brother calls me and he is saying his air conditioner in his house is going out. So he needed a window unit. The 3 or 4 closest to us did not have it. Me and Jason loaded up, drove over an hour away, paid $20 in tolls to be able to go to Sam's and get him the air conditioner. We are back home. We had dinner in the house. I've got 2 baskets to put up. Let's do that. Because it needs to be time to go to sleep. I need to get this put up. When Jason gets out of the shower, I will be able to go shower and we can lay down. long day. And I still need to do my thumbnail. So I will probably try to do that either in the morning if I feel like it, or I might do it, I don't know, if I can take a break at work or something. It's just one of those, like I thought I had time. Turns out I do not. Another basket of clothes. I will make you watch this one. Okay, second basket is empty. Now I just gotta shower, do all my last minute like nighttime things and things I need to get ready for in the morning. It has been a day and I did not get everything done that I wanted to, so I tried though. I did try. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next time.